Hi guys, today is Monday, May 18th. It is our last Monday of the school year. And we did not to get to go on our field trip to the zoo. So today, you're going to be taking a virtual field trip. So I'm going to tell you all about that. So this is our last week of school, Monday, May 18th. And you're going to be taking a virtual field trip to the zoo. Actually, these links will take you to different zoos. So each link, and I try them all, will take you to a webcam, a live webcam of a different animal from different zoos around the country and actually even the world. So there are a lot of different animals that you can choose from, and you can choose all of them and click on it and look at that animal for a little bit, see if you see it. Some animals may be hiding or maybe sleeping at the time that you click on it, so they may be harder to see than others. After you take a look at some of the animals, you're going to be doing two activities. One of them is choosing one of the animals from the webcam. You're going to draw and label their animal in their habitat. So try to pick one that you did get to see. Draw the animal in the habitat and label the different parts. Then it says, what did you notice about your animal's habitat? Write 2 sentences about what you saw. So write two sentences about what you noticed about the animal's habitat, where it lived. Maybe it was a different feature you saw in there. Maybe it was different food. Maybe you saw a different kind of animal in the animal's habitat, but write down 2 things you saw. This your parents can print out for you, or you can just do this in your notebook. Also, I want you to choose 2 more animals, 2 different animals, and you're going to compare them. So you're going to write the name of animal 1 that you saw on the web visits, and the name of the second animal. I want you to think about, how did the animal move? Animal 1, how did it move? And animal 2, how did it move? Is the animal isolated, or were there a group of them? So was it just one animal that would be isolated, or were there several or a whole bunch of them in a group? So you would write that here for the first animal and here for the second. Again, just like the first sheet, what did you notice about the animal's habitat? What did you notice about the first animal's habitat that was interesting to you? And what did you notice about the second animal's habitat? And what's something that you learned about each animal just from the web video? Maybe you saw them eating, or you saw how they sleep, or just anything you noticed. You don't have to do any extra research, but just something you learned about your animal just from observing them today. So you'll write about animal 1 here and animal 2 here. Then throughout the day, as you have time, you're going to read 20 minutes. It could be something from Epic if you haven't tried that, or if you have and really like it, something from Raz Kids, or a book of your choice. You're going to do 1 episode of Headsprout, and then Imagine Learning and Education Galaxy. I hope you enjoy your virtual zoo field trip today. Hope you have a lot of fun, and I will talk to you soon.